folks. So I'm just heading out for a little grouse hunt this morning. It is not the best of mornings. Only get to go on weekends, so that's all I can do. We've got a bit of rain drizzle here this morning, and it's supposed to be a lot of rain later on tonight and again tomorrow, so it's the only chance I'm going to get. So I'm going to head out to a couple spots away from the cabin. I got Grouse here. Gertie's here doing her thing, but I can't shoot Gertie. It's too close to the cabin. So I'm going to go up check a couple more trails that I've seen along the way when I was out trouting earlier this summer. So I'm going to go back there now and see if I hit any luck. Take you along, and hopefully I'll have something to show you on video. Yeah, it doesn't look like the weather's going to cooperate too much, guys. But get a couple hours out in the woods anyway. Have a look. Never know your luck, you might come across a grouse or even a rabbit. Always somebody's pushed garbage in the woods. Don't understand that. But anyway, we're gonna take our time, walk up this trail, and see if we can find anything. If we come across something, folks, I will try to get it on camera for you. Stay tuned. Good spot for moose to hang out. Keep it in mind later on when we try for a moose license in this area. But hey, at least I get a bit of exploring done. You can see in the distance it's the Nalcor line. That runs right across the province. All these access roads provide hunters opportunities to get into that line. Open up a lot of country, I gotta say. Anyway, we'll keep walking this little road, guys, access road. And if I see anything, I'll take it back on video. Yeah, it's starting to rain pretty good here now. So this is the Nalcor line, folks. Goes right across the province. Don't see any moose on it. Right here anyway. Another spot to check out. There's a duck. duck or loon in the pond there. See if I can get him on camera. Right there in the corner. There he is, floating that rock. See him there? Not sure. Oh, I don't have a duck license, so he's safe. Apologies folks, I just got my phone with me this morning. I didn't bother to take the camera here. But I think that's the loon. If we get any closer. Not sure. Far enough away I can't tell. Anyhow, I'm gonna walk in here a little further, see what I can see, and then head back to the truck. There's another spot I want to check out, but this one I want to check out because I haven't been there before. Just to see what it's like. Anyway, starting to come down real good here now, folks. So I'm gonna turn off to get a video, and I'll get back to you when I get back to the truck. Definitely a spot to explore with the quad, folks. I'll do that one of these days. Now later on the fall, come back with the quad. And explore all these roads. Obviously you can go all the way down the transmission line from what I can tell from here. I see a moose hanging out here this morning, but it's a good spot to find one for sure. There's the highway over there. Yeah. Alright folks, we'll head back to the truck now and get out of this rain and go check another spot. Thought there was a grouse on the road. It's a rock. Right in the middle of the road. He's still looking at me. Oh well, they can hide pretty good, but not that good, I guess. It's not a grouse. You can hear the wires crackling. Just walking down the trail, folks, and thought I heard a coyote howl. Surprised. There's a few around in the area, I would think. Yeah, he was way off, but it sounded something was howling. So yeah, they're around too. Don't have a coyote license. I do have a trapper's license. Yes, that's what I do. But I haven't set any snares. Yeah, it's leaving that open. But yeah, so sounded like a coyote howling up the trail there. Not surprising. They are around, that's for sure. And the rain's let up again, but no grouse. And I didn't bring anything for a mug up today. It's just too wet in the woods for me today anyway. So go back. I got some things to do at the cabin, and actually getting ready to do some Christmas decorations now. Christmas ornaments, I guess, on the laser engraver. So this is a project for the next few weeks. Just a reminder, guys, if you like the channel, like the videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Leave a like for any videos. Likes are good. More likes on a video, the better that YouTube will promote my material. So all likes are good. And leave a comment. I appreciate all the people take time to leave a comment for me on the videos. I respond to all the comments. And it's great to see folks enjoying some of the content. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna work my way back get back to the truck. Almost there now. And I'm going to check out another area, and at the end of this video I'm going to include any interesting game camera footage that the cameras picked up while I was away. So I'll check those out later on this afternoon, and I'll include any footage in the video at the end of the video. So again, thanks for watching, folks. Take care, and catch you in the next video. So folks, made it back to the truck, and it's a wet old soggy all day. But anyway, I'm gonna go check out another spot. It's up on the Nalcor line. It's on the other side of the highway, actually. I'm gonna go up check out there. Just you can see all the way down the line. Just to have a look, explore more than anything else this morning. It might be a future area for moose hunting, so we'll take you along. Folks, this is the other spot I was talking about. It's right on the Nalcor line, and you can see from miles here down the line anyway, and I'm sure it'll be a great spot for moose. Easy access for sure. You can get quad trail goes right on down there. You probably get down in truck. I won't be tying truck today. I don't need to go down there today, but yeah, great spot to be spotting for moose. See over the buck, see the cut over, see the bogs in the back there, and you see all the way down the line, and that goes up there and all the way back that way too. So get a high ground in a couple spots here. You get up and have a look, and so interesting spot now for later on for moose hunting. Holy! I just walked up on this fella. Holy! He was coming down the trail, I was going up the trail. Oh, he's gone. What a go rush. Oh, heart beating now, folks. Heart is beating now. What a rush, what a rush. He's a nice 6-point bull. Still up in the trail looking at me. Yeah, he's gone on up there. Better check my pants. He's gone. Wow, what a rush. I was checking some game cameras. See what we got. Wow. He was on his way down the trail. Nice bull. Anyway, he's gone. Frightened me. Frightened him too. Wow. Anyway, folks, I have to check out the game camera, see if maybe he's on there from previous weeks.